Yeah, so our article is generated. Let's go here and just go to the home page again, and yeah, as you can see, it has generated a new article using our keyword, and let's open it. So it has a very realistic image, as you can see, YouTube video as well, lists as well, and article is well structured. It refers to the reader. You will find yourself constantly analyzing. So it's basically very humanly written article. No AI will detect it as a AI written article. So in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can automate your blogs, and also it has a feature called notification. You can send notifications. So let's see step by step how this works. So first of all, to get this plugin, you can go to this website. So I will mention the link below in the description. You will be able to download this plugin, and I have already downloaded and installed the plugin. So let's go to the dashboard. So if you have the plugin, you can just go to the plugin, and then you can click add plugins, and then here you can upload the plugin here. For example, I have this plugin here. I can just add here, and now you can see the install now button. So in schedule settings, you will see generation source, post status, schedule frequency, article per run, schedule time, and time zone. So let's discuss this. So there are two methods by which you can generate articles. So title based is basically you can add a bunch of article titles, one article per line. So you can get article titles from the chat GPT. For example, this blog is related to chess. So if I just go here on chat GPT and write a prompt like suggest 5 article titles related to chess, so it generates 5 article titles. If you want to get a customized output, you can change this prompt. So for now I will just copy it from here and I will post it here, and once you will save, all these articles will be added in queue. Next method is keyword based. So I have already added a keyword, as you can see here. It is chess news, and here you don't need to add any titles. Based on whatever keyword you have added here, it will go to Google Trends and it will find latest article title that can be generated, and based on this keyword it will generate a trending article title, and it write related article on that title. So let me first show you how this is going to generate. So let me just select the keyword based, and because we have already, let me save it once. Yeah, so now we have saved. So yeah, here you can also select whether you want the generated article to be published right now, or save it as a draft, or pending review. You can choose any of that. I'm going to just select this publish. I want to publish immediately after the article is generated because I want to automate it completely. The third one is schedule frequency. So you can schedule it like how often you want your articles to be generated. So like every day, every week, every month, or you can even add a custom interval where you will add some minutes. So after that interval, it will keep generating the articles. Article per run means, for example, you have chosen this as 1 and the schedule time is 10 a.m. So that this means at 10 a.m. every day it will generate one article. If you make it 2, so now it generates at 10 a.m. 2 articles every day. So by default it will pick your current time zone based on your location. If you want to choose a different time zone in which your article will be posted, so you can just uncheck this and you can select the time zone from here. This checkbox basically is to generate one article immediately on save. You can just save and schedule as well. So based on these details, it will schedule your article without generating the article right now. But because we want to test it, so I will just click on generate one article immediately and then schedule. So before clicking on generate and schedule, let's see the article requirements. So this article generation method basically uses the Gemini API. You can just go to this link here and it will redirect to the Gemini API key, and from here you can copy and add it to this field, which I have already added. Similarly, you can go to FreePick. FreePick API is basically used for image generation. So if you click here, you will be redirected to this page, and here you can see you will have a button get free API key. So once you will click this, it will redirect you to this page where you will be able to see your API key. You can copy it and you can just use it here. I have already added it, so I will not change anything here. And also you can customize the word count. Currently it's 1500 words selected. You can change it to this 2500 or maybe 3000 based on your requirement. Article tone, by default it will be selected as let RankReady AI decide most suitable article. So we using this method only because I want the AI to decide which tone is best for my articles. You can also choose manually from here. And the next option is next is formatting option. So here there are 4 different things you can see: table, list, FAQ and YouTube video. So by default all 4 will be checked. If you don't want any of these to be included in your article, then you can just uncheck that. So for now I will include all of them and just check if it looks good, like if all the things are working correctly. So let's wait. So our last article looks like this, and let's check here. Let's just reload this. Yeah, so it has generated this article. As you can see, it's an article and the image also. So let's click on this and check. Yeah, see, the article looks good, but here, okay, yeah, so there was a load issue. We have included the YouTube video, FAQ, lists and table. So if I go here and check, it has added the YouTube video and introduction. Yeah, it has added the FAQ section. So everything we mentioned here, it has added all 4 of them, and yeah, it's working perfectly as of now. So the second method is title based method. Here you can see there are a few titles already which I have generated from here. So I will just go here and click on save. Yeah, so I have just saved, and you can see the queue number has been updated. Let's go to here and check whether the title based keyword method is working or not. So just go here and click on generate and shoot. Yeah, so it is generating. Yeah, so our article is generated. Let's go here and just go to the home page again, and yeah, as you can see, it has generated a new article using our keyword. And let's open it. So it has a very realistic image, as you can see, YouTube video as well, lists as well, and article is well structured. It refers to the reader. You will find yourself constantly analyzing. So it's basically very humanly written article. No AI will detect it as a AI written article. Both the methods are working here as we have tested now, and you can also generate the same by clicking here. But once you will schedule, it will automatically keep generating the articles. You don't have to click every time, so it will be scheduled. So next, let's check this. Yeah, so to get traffic, you can post your articles, your generated articles immediately on the social media. So for example, if you want to post it in a Telegram channel or in a chat, so you can just click on this link, and it will redirect you to the page where you will be able to see your Telegram bot token. Then you can add your webhook here, and it automatically post your article to the Discord. If you want to share your article to Facebook or Instagram or there are some other platforms, so there is a platform like ArishShare. So ArishShare basically gives access to the 13 different platforms where you can post your article and promote your article to get more traffic. So you can try this, but this is a premium platform, so you will have to buy it. It's not free, but these two are free. You can always use these and get more traffic. So let's discuss the next one, which is notification. So it also sends the notification of the generated article. So as you can see here, there are 2 options, one signal and web pusher. So I'm currently using web pusher. So I have added the web pusher API key and the auth token. You can get these details by going to your web pusher account, and you can log in, then select your website here, and then you can click on this integration, then this REST API, and there you will find those web pusher API key and auth token. So I have already added it, so I will just say it is not sending. But before, you can see I have added a lot of pushes. These are all added today, as you can see the date. So this will work. It is just showing an error because I am posting, so this is completely fine. But yeah, if it is not working, so you must check the number of active users. You should have at least 1 active user, otherwise it will not be able to send push notification. And let's go to the features tab. So here you will find this AI internal link builder. So if you check this option, it will find the articles which is related to your currently generated article. So it will automatically add those article links at the bottom of your article. Let me just click here and check if it is working. So yeah, I have saved. Let's go to the home page. So it has generated the article. Let's go and test. Yeah, so this is the generated article. Let's click. Yeah, so as you can see, it has YouTube videos, it has everything else. And if I scroll down here, see here you can see it has added this related article section where it has searched for the related articles which is related to our current article, and it has added all the links. So this is very good for the SEO. Yeah, so let's go here and check the next. So AI auto alt text. If you have other images which does not have an alt text, you can always scan the media library here. So for example, these images does not have an alt text. So if I just click here, analyze and generate, it will just analyze the best alt text and caption, and it will add it. So as you can see, it has updated the alt text and caption as well. So similarly, you can add for all of them, or you can just click here to process all at once. It one by one process everything, and this is the auto alt text and caption generation. So yeah, content gap analyzer is basically to analyze other websites content with respect to your content. So because my website is related to chess, so I can only add targeted keyword related to chess and the URL related to chess. So for example, if I try to add something else like pizza, or here so maybe google.com, and if I try to analyze, it will not proceed. It will show error. This keyword or competitor URL are not related to your blog. So only add the keywords which is related to your blog. So if you are using it in a fashion related blog, fashion related WordPress blog, then you can add the keywords related to fashion. So now let me change it to chess again, and for let's say chess.com. So it will analyze and it will show. Yeah, so now it is showing some titles. So the priority is high. So this means these titles should be in your blog, but these are missing. So the competitors are using these kind of titles to get ranked. So you can just click here, add to queue, and it will add your article from here, article title from here to the queue. So yeah, you can use this. You can also add different competitors URL. So let's check this one. If you have articles that are very old and you want to update it, you can just scan from here. So it generally scans and looks for articles that are older than 30 and generated by this plugin. So if I currently scan, it does not show any results because I have started using this plugin since last few days, and I don't have any articles that are older than 30 days. So that's why it is not showing, but it works well, and it will also show you the suggestions what all you can update in an article. So you can just click on add, and it will update those changes to your old articles. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This was the tool. This looks very amazing to me. I used this tool since last few days and it is working really great. So you can also try this tool. So this has two different plans. Like you can use it for free as well. So for the when the first time you will install this plugin, you will have the 7-day trial where you will be able to generate 2 articles every day, and after the trial period ends, you will be able to generate 1 article every day. But yeah, you can always go for the premium. It's very cheap. It's just 29 USD and one-time payment. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And they also have this coming soon section where they will be upgrading the plugin, and you will also have the celebrity image generation. So you can also generate the image of celebrity. For example, if you are writing blogs related to maybe Messi or maybe Elon Musk or some celebrity, so it will also generate the exact image of celebrity. And you will also be able to instant index for your non-job related and broadcast event posts. So generally Google Index API works only for these categories, only for job posting and broadcast event related categories. But yeah, this plugin will upgrade some feature and you will be able to request for indexing whatever category your article is in. So yeah, that's pretty much it. See you in the next video.